What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry that I haven't been making videos lately, but I've been in the middle of, moving from my apartment to here, this house, and my car was being stored at my buddy's house, and that's where I took all the previous videos. And so the car is now in a storage unit, and I'll get to that later. I probably won't be making many new videos about the 240 for a little bit because I have a vacation planned for Christmas, but it's gonna get done soon. Today we're gonna be making a video on resealing the barrels, the barrel and the lip of 3-piece wheels. Mine started to leak from this area, so I'm just gonna reseal the entire thing. Basically, you just get caulking, and I'm using the GE silicone, the clear silicone 2, that one. I've never done anything like this with 3-piece wheels before, so okay guys, so step one is obviously to cut out all of the old sealing.
And what do you do again?
I'm in a sales.
Doggy bag.
A doggy bag is $90, a tea bag is $50. But I'll have to ask you to excuse me right now. See, I'm kinda, on a real date.
That's all pimp. That's all pimp. Pimp. No, that's all pimp name slick. That's all pimp. All pimp. That's all pimp. That's all pimp. Pimp. No, that's all pimp name. That's all pimp name slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, I'm a pimp name slick back. Pimp name slick back. Pimp name
Slick back.
nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp name slick back. Pimp name slick back. Pimp name slick back. I'm a nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp name slick back. Pimp name slick back. Pimp name
Slick
I'm
back.
a pimp name slick back.
Slick back.
I'm a pimp name slick.
Don't be like me and come into this thinking you're Superman. I just cut myself real good with the razor. That was pretty fun. It didn't really hurt that bad, but because it's brand new and it went right through my skin, but it could get infected and stuff like that. So I put something on it so I don't get like whatever inside of the cut. Anyways, let's get back to it.
Back.
I'm a pimp named Slick Back. Nigga, are you deaf? I'm a pimp named Slick Back. Say it with me, nigga. I'm a pimp named.
Okay, so basically this is what it should look like. Just a crevice in there, clean, just to fill. And you want to tape both sides to where you can't go over very far. I mean, this is obviously only if you want a clean cut. If it doesn't really matter to you, fuck it, send it. But I would like mine to be clean. And then when I'm done, when it's dry, I can come back and cut along the tape, take the tape off, and everything will be really clean. There's no dried sealant in there. Everything looks really good, so I'm just looking to lay it down. I definitely shouldn't do it the way that I have it. I should do this up and down. Way better idea, way more sound. sealant has exploded. But I'm gonna group it up in there. So. Alright, so now I just gotta let this dry and cure for 24 hours at least, just to be safe. That's probably way overboard. And then probably Monday at work I'll just mount my tire back on this and I'm good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.